To install the VPN Unlimited extension for Opera, you need to follow these instructions. Go to the VPN Unlimited website. Navigate to the Downloads menu and select Opera in the pop-up window. Then click on the Download Opera extension button. Click on the Downloads button in the Opera toolbar. Then in the drop-down menu open the downloaded zip archive, and it will automatically unzip to the Downloads folder. In the Opera browser, press Ctrl-Shift-E or Command-Shift-E if you are a Mac user to open the extension control window. In the upper right corner of the browser window, click the Developer Mode button to access the installation of third-party extensions. Click on the Load Unpacked Extension button. Then select the extension directory and press Select. Click on the Extensions cube icon in the Opera toolbar. In the Extensions drop-down menu, click on the pin icon next to VPN Unlimited. Click the Extensions icon in the Opera toolbar and click on the Sign In button. Then log in to your account using your KeepSolid ID, or click the Sign Up button if you don't already have one. To register your KeepSolid ID account, enter your email and password. Repeat your password. Check the box. Click on the Create button. Enter the 6-digit code that was sent to your email or click the Verification button right in the sent email. If you didn't receive any email, please check the spam folder. Your KeepSolid ID account was created successfully. And that's it. VPN Unlimited extension for Opera has been installed. Open the extension in the Opera toolbar and click Start to go private and secure online.